Okay, just another quick one. I got the post in, I've taken the anchor out of the way so I can get to it. Now I've got to get down there and lay down on my side and get in there and weld all that, all the way around. Okay, that's going to give me a bit of fun. At 65, it's not as easy as it used to be. It wasn't easy then. Getting down and doing work down there at ground level with the helmet on. That there's my face mask helmet. Of course, this is a year-bit one. They're around $1,300 to $1,500 to replace now. It was $950 when I bought that 20 years ago. So anyway, that's my effort now. Get down under there and give that a go. Right, talk soon. Bye.